My name is Eason and I'm in 6th grade this year. I received an AMC 10 honor roll with a 132 on 2025 AMC 10D, and this is my second time qualifying for an AIME. I've been studying at Think Academy for around 4 years, and I am currently in the Think Olympiad Year 2 class. My current goal for math competitions is to qualify for MOP or even get into the USA IMO team. My study experience or preparation tip that I find useful that others may not know is logging, like journaling. Keep like a notebook with you write down the problem if you got it wrong or right, and like the key insight or the main idea that you needed to know for the problem. Think Academy has really helped me on my math competition journey because of their excellent teachers and their original and really high quality problems. A tip I would like to share for future students preparing for the AMC 10 is that you should make sure you learn how to double check effectively and don't make any silly mistakes, while also you should take a look at problems 20 to 25 because especially this year they were much easier than usual and probably more efficient for you to do them if you can't solve problems 15 through